Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. And today again, I like to talk about German grammar, which is also part of my course for beginners where you learn German following a story. And today's topic is German cases, a really interesting one. So let's dive into it right now. So I will explain you what actually means case, no? And we will start with our first case, and our first case is nominative. No, it's the name of the case, nominative. And it's actually the subject of the sentence. What means it's the person or thing what is performing the action. And it also has a direct influence of the ending of the conjugation of the verb. So this is the subject and it's nominative. And then we have our second case, it's accusative. And accusative for me, I use the color blue, and nominative I use the color green, because accusative is the direct object, which means it receives directly the action of the verb. Soon we will see also an example. And our last case here, for now, what I explain in detail is dative, dative. And this is actually the indirect object. And for me, I explain always, it receives the benefit or damage of the action. Okay, so those are the three cases. The thing is, in German, we have also three different genders. The first gender here I like to show you is the masculine gender. And the article here is der. So down here we have an example. We have three words, der Vater, der Sohn, der Ball. No, the father, the son, the ball. And now I like that you say a sentence with those three words. I like to say, the father gives the ball to the son. So how do you say this? Let's see. Der Vater gibt dem Sohn den Ball. So the father gives the son the ball. Okay? Actually in English you would say to the son. But we don't need to because we have here the dative case. And so there is no preposition needed. You see, the masculine article is normally der. And you can see it in nominative, der Vater. Den, for accusative, den Ball, no, there is a change. Der changes actually to den. And dative changes again and we have dem. So therefore it's so important to know the gender of our noun and also the case. So here for masculine we have der, den, dem. And as an example, der Vater gibt dem Sohn den Ball. Okay, in a normal sentence, first we have the dative here and then the accusative. So let's see how it is for feminine. No? Remember the feminine article normally is die. Here die Mutter, die Tochter, die Puppe. So let's see here our example sentence. Die Mutter gibt der Tochter die Puppe. So nominative, die Mutter. No, it stays die. And actually here interesting, also accusative is die Puppe. No, there is no change. But for dative, yes, there is a change. Der Tochter. So it looks like here we have a masculine article, but it's the dative of the feminine article. So der Tochter. So let's see our article neuter. So das Kind, das Pferd, das Brot. No, the child, the horse, the bread. So our example sentence is here. Das Kind gibt dem Pferd das Brot. So it's a little bit similar to the feminine one and also to the masculine one. So we have for nominative das, no, das Kind, it's actually the subject, so it performs the action. So it has a direct influence of the ending of the verb, so it's a T, gibt. Dem Pferd. No, das Kind gibt dem Pferd, so there's actually dem, a change in dative. And the Pferd, the horse, actually has a benefit of the action because it receives the bread. So therefore it's dative. And das Brot, accusative, it stays das. No? and it's actually the direct object, and so it needs to be part of the action because the Kind gives the bread, so therefore it's a direct object. The plural article in German, it's always die. It doesn't matter the gender, so every time it changes to die. For example, here die Eltern, die Kinder, die Sachen, the parents, the children, the things. So let's see our example sentence. Die Eltern geben, no, geben, because Eltern is plural, so it's geben den Kindern die Sachen. So again, nominative, it stays die. Accusative also stays die. But in dative there's a change. Den Kindern. And when we have plural in dative, almost every time we add an N to the noun. In this case, Kinder changes in Kindern. Okay, so this is all the cases for the definite article, but let's see how it is for the indefinite article. So like the definite article is the and the indefinite would be a. So let's see how it changed for masculine. So here we have ein Vater gibt einem Sohn einen Ball. A father gives to a son a ball. So the masculine indefinite article for nominative would be ein. Because it's from there, it's ein. Accusative, no, remember we had den, so we also apply the same ending, einen. And for dative, it's dem, and so it's einem. Okay, so therefore we have the ending. So for the neuter, it changes to ein Kind gibt einem Pferd ein Brot. So we have das, ein, no, in nominative. Also das, ein, there's no change, so also the indefinite article doesn't change, it's still ein. But in dative we have dem, so it changes also to einem. So ein Kind gibt einem Pferd ein Brot. And in feminine, what do you think? Just think a moment. Yeah. Eine Mutter gibt einer Tochter eine Puppe. Here actually we add an I to the indefinite article, eine, no, because it's feminine. Accusative, it's the same, eine, and in dative we had already der, and so we have einer, no, einer Tochter. Eine Mutter gibt einer Tochter eine Puppe. And in plural, actually there is no indefinite article, but we could say keine. No? We could say keine Eltern geben keinen Kindern keine Sachen. So no parents give to no children no things. And here you see also in nominative it's keine, in accusative keine, the I, because there's no change, and in dative is keinen. No? The same applies when you want to use no father gives no son, no ball. No? It's really similar to the definite indefinite article, just you use kein instead of ein. Okay, and the same for neuter and feminine. So I highly recommend that you use those colors because it helps you to see better what's going on. Okay, and we have also a fourth case, but it's not so widely used, and so in my beginner course I don't talk too much about it. It's called genitive, and just to complete the table, here you have the changes of the article for the genitive case. That's actually a show of possession, but it's hardly used in spoken language. It would be the cat of the woman. So the cat of the woman would be here in genitive. Okay. What you see here, it's a kind of a pot shape. So what stays in the pot, no, there is no change of the articles. So remember a little bit the pot shape, what is outside the pot, like the masculine accusative changes, and also dative and genitive changes. So remember the pot shape, that will help you a lot to remember this table. So thank you very much, and you see how colors help to remember better grammar, and those are the same colors I use in my course, so follow the story and learn German for beginners. Thank you very much and see you soon.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Check out more videos for more tips on mastering German. Want to take your German learning to the next level? Visit my website for more courses and private lessons. See you there.